This is a demonstration of using Morphit to track the body weights of animals in various treatment groups. The second point of the demonstration is to just outline how we integrate external instrumentation. Okay, so we'll start from using a new binder from a template. And we'll use our body weight diabetes example. And we'll quickly fill in the basic details, the protocol. And we'll select rats and the correct strain of the rats, dose volume, and we'll select the start date. Okay, so once that's complete we can mark it as such, set up our treatments, and we'll add a reference treatment group. We'll add intravenous, and we'll add more animals to our control group. Okay. Now we'll skip the animal order and details and so on. Let's bring in our animal information and allocate the animals to each of the various treatment groups. Okay, pretty good. What we'll do now is go straight into scheduling the study so we can see each of the dates we're going to capture data on and whether we'll capture data for the final analysis. Okay, so when we capture our measurements, what happens is we show the data entry by form. We can see for each animal we're capturing number of days worth of data, number of days worth of body weights. Now, tied to this button we can calculate what today's date is. So all we need to do is enter the animal's identifier through a barcode reader, chip scanner, and in this case I'm simply typing it in. And you can see here it's got a hit for that animal. We can enter its body weight. And the idea behind this data entry by form is to allow people to enter data in a hands-off fashion, using instrument readers and barcode readers, and also to prevent mistakes, because obviously by hitting the right animal on the right date we can fill out this form without trying to hit the right cell all the time. Now the data entry by form, I'm currently doing it manually. However, it has been configured so that when the external instrument fires a signal, pushes the signal into Morphit, it can add the data and also press the apply button. Now in some of these forms you have to present data back, such as warnings, perhaps the body weight's dropped too far, or the rate of change of body weight's dropped too far, or other messages to do with running the experiment. The instrument integration is carried out through an add-in. Instruments for Morphit, and in there we define the port listeners. So in this case we can put in the name, the baud rate, parity and so on, all the settings we need to read in from the balance or chip scanner, and also the format so we can handle things like headers and footers and so on. Just to finish the demonstration, I'm going to generate some data. Okay, so we can see that there's some data that's below the threshold, and we can look at the group results and also the summary charts. And the summary charts are rendered as a printable one-sheet report. Okay, well, thank you very much for listening, and if you have any comments or questions or would like to try Morphit yourself, please contact us at info@edge-ka.com.